You have spent hours polishing your resume. You found a job that feels like a perfect match, but it is thousands of miles away. With a hopeful heart, you click submit and send your application into the digital world. Then you wait. Days turn into weeks, and the only response is a deafening silence. You're applying for jobs abroad but getting no replies? You're not alone. Here's why most people fail, and how you can fix it. This is incredibly common and deeply frustrating. You might feel like you're not good enough, but this is not your fault. The international job market has unwritten rules, and most candidates aren't taught them. Many people take this journey and feel ignored. It's easy to lose hope when you feel invisible to recruiters. The problem isn't your skill or ambition, it's often the strategy. Crossing borders and cultures needs a different approach. This guide will act as your map. We'll shine a light on why international applications get overlooked. We at GlobeWorkGuide believe anyone can find a job abroad with direction and effort. The first and most common reason for failure is using a generic, one-size-fits-all approach to your job applications. Many hopeful candidates believe that a good CV is a good CV, no matter where it is sent. This is a critical misunderstanding of the global job market. Each country, and sometimes even specific industries within a country, has its own unique expectations for what a professional resume should look like. Recruiters are often reviewing hundreds of applications for a single position. They use familiar formats to quickly scan for key information. An application that does not fit the expected local standard can be confusing and may be discarded in seconds, even if the candidate is perfectly qualified for the role. Another significant hurdle is the content of the application itself. Many job seekers fill their CVs with lists of job duties and responsibilities. They write things like, responsible for managing social media accounts, tasked with customer support. This tells a recruiter what you are supposed to do, but it does not tell them what you actually accomplished. International employers, like all employers, are looking to hire people who can solve problems and deliver results. They want to see the impact you made in your previous roles. Without concrete achievements and quantifiable results, your application blends in with all the others and fails to make a compelling case for why you are the best person for the job. The language barrier is another major roadblock, and it is more complex than simply speaking English. While English is a global business language, many jobs require at least a basic understanding of the local tongue for day-to-day workplace interactions and integration into the local community. Your application might not clearly state your language abilities, or you might apply for roles where fluency is a non-negotiable requirement. This perception of a high integration barrier can be enough to move your application to the bottom of the pile, as companies prefer candidates who can smoothly transition into their new environment. Finally, a host of logistical issues can stop your application in its tracks before a human even sees it. Applying through the wrong channels, like generic global job portals instead of specialized local ones, means you are missing out on the best opportunities. Many people are also unaware of the specific visa requirements and work permit regulations for their target country. A lack of preparation in these key areas can lead to automatic rejection, leaving you to wonder what went wrong. Now that we understand the problems, let's focus on the solutions. The first step is to become a researcher. Choose 1 or 2 countries to target. Learn everything about their job market. What industries are hiring? What are the in-demand skills? Check official skilled occupation lists on government immigration websites. Check salary ranges on Glassdoor. Check salary ranges on PayScale. Research the work culture, formal or casual. This knowledge is your foundation. It will inform every step and stop you applying to the wrong jobs. The second step, create a master international CV and cover letter template. Customize it for every application. Keep the CV clean and professional. Make it easy to read. Keep it 1 to 2 pages. Use a simple font and plenty of white space. For each past job, write 5 to 7 accomplishment bullets with numbers. For each application, pick the 3 to 5 most relevant bullets. Tailor your cover letter to the company and specific job title. Explain why you're passionate about the role and working in that country. Imagine a recruiter in Germany who is used to a 1 to 2 page Lebenslauf with a professional photo, date of birth, and chronological history. A 3-page American-style resume with no photo and a functional layout creates friction. Tailor to local standards. Use local terms for job titles or software. UK says CV, North America says resume. Include a short, powerful professional profile at the top, a results-driven marketing manager, with over 8 years of experience in digital campaigns, seeking to leverage my skills in the Australian tech sector. That immediately communicates your intent and increases your chances of being considered. Bad, manage the company blog. Good, grew monthly blog readership from 5,000 to 25,000 visitors, a 400% increase in 1 year by implementing a new SEO content strategy. Third, build a globally focused LinkedIn profile. Use a professional headshot, smiling and approachable. Headline ideas, Senior Project Manager, PMP certified, seeking opportunities in the Netherlands. Write a summary stating career goals and openness to relocate. Ask former managers or colleagues for recommendations. Engage on LinkedIn, share relevant articles and comment on posts from target country companies. Use the best job portals for your target country, including official portals like Eures, Work in Norway, JobNorge, and more. Create a spreadsheet to track applications. Company, job title, date applied, and a link to the job description. Prepare supporting documents in advance. Scan your diplomas, get reference letters, and create a digital portfolio. Use clear file names. First name, last name, CV'd, PDF. First name, last name, diploma, PDF. First name, last name, portfolio.pdf. Combine into one organized PDF or share a Google Drive folder. Practice video interviews by recording yourself. Check your lighting, background, and sound quality. Use the STAR technique to keep answers concise and impactful. Situation, task, action, result. Maintain eye contact by looking at the camera, not just the screen. This methodical preparation boosts your chances and reduces stress, letting you approach the search with confidence and control. One of the most effective ways to stand out is learning a few key phrases in the local language. Hello, thank you, my name is, I am eager to learn. Mention this in your cover letter or LinkedIn profile. For example, currently learning basic German to prepare for a smooth transition. Explicitly showcase your adaptability and international mindset. Ease concerns with concrete examples of cross-cultural competence. Network with expatriates in your target country and city. Join relevant groups on Facebook and LinkedIn. Don't just join and ask for a job. Engage with the community. After building rapport, ask for advice, or if they know any good recruiters. A referral from a current employee is the single most effective way to get noticed. Be patient and consistent. Commit to fewer, higher quality applications each week instead of many generic ones. The best way to win is by small, achievable steps. Perfect one section of your master CV. Join 2 relevant LinkedIn groups. Ask one former manager for a LinkedIn recommendation. That's it for today. Tomorrow, learn 5 common phrases in your target language. Like Kenji moving to Canada, small deliberate steps, research, tailoring, networking, and preparation can lead to a job offer. Finding a job abroad isn't impossible. It just needs the right strategy. Don't give up. Your dream job abroad is closer than you think. Follow GlobeWorkGuide for real guides, visa info, and success tips for working abroad. Subscribe for more global career tips from GlobeWorkGuide.